In order to subscribe for my channel, please click here or click here. Please like, share, and comments on my videos and channel. Thank you. Hey guys, this is Gaurav. Welcome to SaaS with ServiceNow. This is our follow-up session of ServiceNow Service Catalog Training. Before I start, let me quickly introduce myself. My name is Gaurav Tripathi. I have 9.5 years of experience in IT with 6.5 years of experience in ServiceNow Architect Solutions and project delivery. In this session, we are going to talk about service catalog management terms and roles. So there are some terms which are used in service catalog management, and what are the different roles when you manage service catalog in ServiceNow. What are we going to learn? We are going to learn about terms which we use in service catalog management and the roles which are required to manage service catalog. The terms we have execution plans, execution plan tasks, then we have fulfillment groups, and then tickets. The definition of all these terms is like for execution plans is define how something gets delivered. It's kind of an execution plan. You have to select in service catalog that what kind of execution plan you have for delivering that request. Then we have execution plan tasks. These are like plan tasks represent a step in execution plan. It's kind of a step for different fulfillment group for a specific duration. So for example, if it's like under packaging, if you are submitting a request for a laptop or a desktop, what exactly the complete execution plan task? Maybe it is assigned to procurement team, it is assigned to IT team, it is assigned to delivery team. That's how the tasks work. Then we have fulfillment groups. Now for each plan task, execution plan task we have fulfillment groups, those who work on those tasks. So those are fulfillment groups who will get the task and work on those requests as per the responsibility or the work they have to do for that particular task or the request. Then we have tickets. Tickets just represent work done by fulfillment groups as part of the execution plan. So it's kind of a catalog task which are assigned to the particular teams, and they work on those tasks and deliver them and just complete them as per the request raised by the requester. Then we have roles. Now there are different roles in service catalog to manage service catalog. So first important role which we know, that is admin role, because admin will have all the access in ServiceNow, so they can also manage service catalog. And so we don't have to provide any additional role for admin. They can definitely they can create the catalogs, they can customize the catalog by themselves. But what about if even you are an admin, but there can be some other people in your organization, they can work specifically for service catalog. It might happen, or maybe you have a different team who would totally focus on service catalog just to manage some high level things, not the complete development maybe, but at least they can manage the catalog. In that case, we have roles like catalog admin. So the person we will have like catalog admin who would have like administrative role for service catalog. And this person can manage the service catalog application, and he can manage catalogs, categories, items. But he cannot work on the scripts basically, which are available to the administrator. That means the developers who directly work on service catalog scripting part. The next role we have is catalog manager. Now, catalog manager can edit and update a service catalog. So this catalog manager, it's not admin for whole catalog, service catalog application. He will be the manager for a specific catalog. So if you would see in my next videos that there will be a manager field where you can select the catalog manager who would have hold on that particular catalog. So he can manage that particular catalog, and he can also manage the categories and catalog items within that catalog. So he will not hold off other catalogs you have created. Maybe they have some other managers. He will be able to manage only that catalog for those he's the manager. That is what the catalog manager role is. And the last role we have is catalog editor. Now, catalog editor is one who can edit and update a service catalog, as well as he can also update the categories and catalog items within that catalog. So he will work as a catalog editor. Now, as I mentioned, in my next video, you will learn about the catalog form. So in that video, you will see that we have also a separate field for catalog editors. If they will be there in that field, then they will also get the access to, at least to edit that particular catalog. But one thing to remember, these people will not be able to do any kind of development or scripting in ServiceNow, because that is being done by ServiceNow administrators, ServiceNow developers. They can just manage the catalog. Maybe they can rename the catalogs. They can add some items. That's what they can do. They can update the items and categories. That's what they can do. So thanks for watching my video. Have a great day.